Okay, Isa, this is lesson number 3 and the means of transportation. And these are the means to travel on land. Can you name each one?
Yes.
Can you name each of these vehicles?
Yes, that's
And
vehicles.
those are the vehicles that we use on land, not the water, okay?
Okay.
It's on land.
A land?
Yeah,
What's land? What's it mean?
the land.
A land?
Yeah. Not on water, not on air. Land.
Land?
Yeah. Oh, why does people travel? They need to travel because
Cause
they need to go
they need to go
to a different place.
to a different place.
Like Isa, when you go to school, where do you ride? Not the bus, the car, or the tricycle. You say it.
Tricycle or the car.
Yeah, you use the car or the tricycle to go to school. How about si Mommy? What does Mommy use to go to work?
It's
The?
the
What do I use to go to work? The?
car.
The car. How about the train? Oh, did you see a train already? Not yet.
Not yet.
This is a train.
A train.
It's very fast.
Very fast.
And then it's following a track, and it cannot go on a different way aside from the track. They have its own track. It has its own track. Yeah, that's why it's called a train track. And it's very, very fast, and there's no traffic when you use the train. How about the bus? Have you seen a bus already?
Yes, I see a bus and big. How? It's a big.
It's a big bus.
And
Who are the people who ride the bus? Did you see them?
Yes. And there's the other people waiting for the bus.
Yeah, where are they going? Are they going to work or are they going to school?
School.
School and work. And some of them goes to the mall. Yes.
Like us.
Yeah. How about the horse cart? Did you see a horse cart already?
In there.
Not yet? It's used for... Usually, you can see this at historical places.
Yes.
Yeah. In Tagalog, it's kalesa. You say kalesa.
Kalesa. What's this?
It's 55. How about jeepney? Have you seen jeepneys outside?
In there.
You didn't see them? When you see a long vehicle outside that gets people, they get people, and then
when I go to school, I see a big bus.
Jeepney?
No. When I'm going to school now, I saw a big bus as the people. When I'm going to school, people's waiting for the bus.
Yes, and the jeep.
And a jeep.
Jeepney.
Jeepney.
This is a horse cart.
Yes.
You usually see this at historical places because a long time ago, this is the mode of transportation here in the Philippines. The horse cart.
A horse is jumping.
Yeah. This one is a
tricycle.
And this one is a
car.
This one is a
train.
This one is a
bus.
This one is a jeepney.
Jeepney.
Say jeepney.
Jeepney.
This one is a horse cart.
You say
horse cart. Say it.
Horse cart.
Horse cart
Mommy.
and jeepney. Can color them na. Color them.
What's
No, this is not your lesson. This one lang. Color them na.
like that?
You color them if you can see them on land. Is the tricycle on land or water or air? Land.
Land.
Color it.
We use pa.
It has 3 wheels.
Yes. And sa kabila, when I'm riding a tricycle in gyms, I saw other wheel.
Wow. Go. You color it.
It's our
Sit there.
chair.
Yep. Go color.
When I ride there with Woo or Jim, I'll go to school.
Yes.
What you said to Ava when Ata's not here?
I said later we'll talk about it. You color it first.
Yeah.
This one. What's that?
Car.
What do people use it for?
To go to school
And
and go to.
grocery?
Yes.
Color it. And Jollyland pa.
Yes.
Color it. Hurry up. Your time is running out. No, don't pick your nose.
But there's many boogers there.
Later, I will clean your nose. It's lesson time, baby. Color it. What color is our car? It's
white.
white. It's not yellow. Do you want a yellow car?
No.
It's pretty.
Yes, but it's a little bit pretty.
Yes. You want white car?
Just like you. When I like you, can you buy me a white car?
Of course. You have to study hard.
Mommy, I'm not yet a lady yet.
Not yet.
And I'm not yet the adult yet.
Yeah, you're a kid.
I'm doing my test.
Yep.
And Isa's going to what?
You hurry up. This one pa.
Where are we going?
We're not going anywhere. It's nighttime.
Mommy, where are we going last morning?
When we have money na, we'll go to Jollyland again, okay?
Okay!
Finish mo na yan.
How about
And Isa will play for how many hours do you want? How many? 10? That's a lot. Okay, color it. You're gonna get tired if you play that long.
I want to
2 hours? Okay.
3
Okay.
or 4.
That's a lot. Mommy's gonna get tired. 2 is enough.
3.
2.
3. 3.
We'll see. Okay.
Mommy, what's this?
It's a train.
What's this?
Color it. Yeah, good. Galing. Next one. What's the next one?
It's this.
What's that?
It's a bus.
Yep. Want to ride the bus?
No.
We can try it.
when I'm adult na,
No, when you're just that big, we can go there.
and we'll use it for going to Jariland.
Mm-mm.
There's a bus driver.
Oo, bus driver.
The bus driver's over there.
Yep.
And it's a wheels.
Yes, 2 wheels, 4 wheels. Okay, next. Next is a jeepney. Say jeepney.
Jeepney.
It's like a bus, but it's smaller and it doesn't have aircon.
Yes.
And the fare is cheaper. Yan, what's that? Horse cart. Say horse cart.
Horse cart.
Okay, color it.
What's this?
It's a very big wheel. Okay, color it.
And what's this?
It's a cart.
A high?
Yeah, it's very high. Mommy already rode that.
But you're a princess, but you're a little bit princess.
Yeah, when I'm a lady.
When
Go, color it, hurry up.
you ride it with your baby.
I rode it with my mama and my papa. Oh, go.
Why?
We went on a cultural heritage place and there's a kalesa.
What's it mean?
That one, a horse cart. We tried it. It's powered by a horse. Unlike all the other cars here, they are powered by engines, machineries. This one is powered by a horse.
But it's very tall.
Yeah. What's the fastest one here? The fastest one is the train. And the slowest one is the horse
Horse
cart.
cart.
Yeah. Okay, done. You're done with this lesson.
Driving is fast.
I say done.
Done.